Hello everyone. And how to make multiple addition or multiplication. As you can see, there are 6 balls. We divide it into 2 groups. There are 3 balls in each group. Three multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. In the other words, we can say that 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Here we can see 3 groups. In each group there are 5 balloons. So if we want to count it together, either we have to make addition 12. Multiplication readiness. Identify the groups in the picture. Write how many in each group. So first of all, we have to identify the picture. Then after, we have to count number of things present in that picture. We have to write it. In this image, we can see clouds. One, two, three, four. So, first we identify that this is the image of cloud. Then we make counting that there are 4 clouds in this picture. So, below the image we have to write down 4 clouds. Now see, in this image we can see that this is the image of sparrows. After counting, we can say that there are 6 sparrows in this image. So just below the image we have to write down 6 sparrows. Here we can see the image of aeroplane. How many aeroplanes are there? 3 aeroplanes. Now identify this picture. What is this? Yes, this is the kite. Now count how many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write 5 kites. There are 5 kites. Identify this picture. What is this? Yes, this is the picture of balloon. Okay. Move on to the next part. Let us see how many balloons are there. There are 2 balloons. So, we have to write down just below given picture. There are 2 balloons. Now here we can see image of colorful butterflies. First part completed, that we make proper identification that there are butterflies. But how many? Second part is remaining. We have to count number of objects. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 butterflies. So, my dear students, if you remember, we have completed till here in previous lecture. This was a quick revision, we have completed it fast. Now we will go very slowly. Why? Yes, because you all have to write with me now. So take out your pencil, book. I'm waiting for a while so that you all can become ready. Write date and day on the right corner. Write the heading, chapter number 12, multiplication readiness. As this is your online class, so you all have to write with me. This is the only way how you can be able to understand the chapter properly. If you are not writing with me, that means you are unable to understand. You all have to copy it, write down properly, try to understand what am I saying, okay? Write the heading CIRCLE, circle. AND, and. COUNT, count. THE, the. NUMBER, number. OF, of. EQUAL, equal. GROUPS, groups. Circle and count the number of equal groups. Let us see how can we solve it. Look, in first sum, the circle is already done as well as the answer is written. So first of all, everyone draw 3 groups. In each group, you have to draw 4 clouds. Sum number A, where you have to draw 3 groups where 4 clouds in each group. I told you before that no matter how shape becomes, don't worry about that. Feel free, don't become hesitant and try to draw clouds. How to make circle, you already have an example at the screen. First, draw the clouds. Make a circle around each group. Make a circle around each group. Now write down 3 GROUPS groups of 3 groups of 4 CLOUDS clouds, EACH each, 3 groups of 4 clouds each. Number B. What you have seen on the screen? Aeroplanes. Is the pattern different? Yes, it divides in the group. So, first of all, draw the aeroplanes the way you have seen on the screen. Don't worry if you are not able to draw the perfect shape. Just try to draw. Now make a circle around first group. Circle around second group. Now after making circle, we can say that there are 2 groups. So just beside write down 2 GROUPS groups of 2 groups of. Now if we check any one group, there are 3 planes present in the group. So we can say that 3 PLANES planes, EACH each. Write down 3 planes each. In this image we can see 3 planes, but it divides in 2 groups. Each group has 3 planes. Number C. Birds. See how many birds are there? So many birds, colorful birds. So first let's make circle around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see, it divides in 6 groups of. So everyone write down 6 GROUPS groups of So first we find out how many groups are there. Second part is remaining, where we have to find out how many birds in each group. So here we have to count any one group, because we have to find out number of birds present in each group. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 BIRDS, birds, EACH, each. 6 groups of 6 birds each. Exercise 2, sum number D. Here we can see some balloons. Look, it all comes in a pair. It all divided. So first of all, let's find out how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 GROUPS, groups of 3 groups of. Let's find out how many balloons in each group. 1 and 2. One balloon is of red color, another is of blue color. So 2 BALLOONS, balloons, ESCH, each. 2 balloons each. There are 3 groups of and 2 balloons present in each group. Number E. Look, what is that? The colorful butterflies. So first, let's count how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 GROUPS, groups of 5 groups of. Now let us see how many butterflies in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 BUTTERFLIES, butterflies, ESCH, each. 5 groups of, and in each group there are 7 butterflies. Number F. Here we can see some colorful kites. First of all, let's find out how many groups are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 GROUPS, 4 groups of. Now let us see how many kites are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kites each. There are 4 groups of kites, and in each group there comes 5 kites. So my dear students, today first we make revision of previous lecture. After that we learn and write exercise number 2, where we learn how to divide the things in groups as well as how to make counting of each groups. So, what you have to do? You have to make practice to understand and solve this exercise with the help of given PDF. So, my dear students, at your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.